Hello everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. Appreciate taking a look at the detailed walk around video of this 2022 Ram 1500 Sport. It's one of our St.Albert custom shop productions here, so we'll go in that a few details in a moment. But as you can see, Sport appearance group on the Sport, so it's got the Sport hood, it's got the body color bumpers, door handles, fender flares, everything like that. And then of course the night edition as well to go with the blacked out headlights and then the black badging here. So we did do a 6-inch lift from BDS, did a speedo calibration, we had fender flares put on here to accommodate the larger tires, and then we had those painted at our own body shop to match here as well. And then the tires, they have quite a bit of rubber on them, 35-inch tires, have some fuel rims, great combination, drives great. Do have the fixed running boards, keyless entry, and lock as well too. Then you have your trifold tonneau cover on the back, 2-inch hitch receiver, and all the towing and safety features that you'd want. And of course, the truck being a little higher, it has this fancy bed step to help getting in and out of the box or up to the box a lot easier. Makes life so much more simpler. In the back, you have ram bins on the floor. So there's a couple of, one bin on each side that, great for some storage. Can come right out to keep tie straps or gloves or anything in there. Easy to bring out, utilize what you need and put it back. Comes with the all weather mats front and rear. And then of course, beautiful leather seats in the rear. You do have 120 volt inverter back there on the center console, as well as a couple of USB ports, USB 2.0 and USB Type-C. And then the 120 volt inverter actually has another plug-in up front underneath your 12-inch screen, but same circuits, 400 watts split between two 120 volt outlets. Power adjustable pedals, tilt and telescopic steering, power seat, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the latest technology, backup camera. A million things to go over. Could probably make a 20-minute video on one of these trucks or longer. If you have any questions, give me a shout out myself, 780-952-3018, or come down and take a look.